wore out Gerber today. Very wore. Look at that. First we'll do the serrate. Stand it up, saw in the middle. This makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth. You get one side in, back on return. Give this one a minute because it's wore down way more than I like. That should do it. Watch this. Right through the entire tooth, top to bottom. Feel the bite on the teeth. Feel better?
Oh yeah.
Real good. Now on the smooth edge, we got a patented flex so it stays with the original bevel. Those are 2 honing steels. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. If they're real dull, you can do a figure X, and that'll help speed it up, then bring it back down the middle. They're faster than stones, much better for your nice edge. See that?
Now, is that titanium?
They're butcher steels.
Butcher steel?
Yeah, honing steels actually. They rock well over 69, makes them almost impossible to wear them down. Alright, that should be a lot better. That all the way through.
Now the question is, what color would you
Use
like?
these on kitchen knives, hunting knives, outdoor tools.
Will it work on the Cutco?
Yes, it does. Right here. It's Cutco.
Okay, because I have a Cutco serrated, but it's got like it's like a serration and then a square piece, you know, a flat piece and then a serration. It's the hunting version.
Okay. Yeah, I've hunted orange handle.
Black.
Black. I've seen them with orange handles like that.
But it'll sharpen them. Okay.
Here, feel what I got going on that.
Pretty dull right here though.
Up in the top, yep. Feel that back in there really grabbed it though, ain't it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna hit your front up more. Said this was wore out real bad. We're bringing her back though. You don't want to rip steel or tear steel from knives like this. You want to hone them.
Yeah.
See, I'm up into here now. Just got to follow that up yet. I do these 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. We do put our name and website on our handles. We offer a lifetime guarantee.
$20, huh?
Yes, sir. Oh, my hands get sore. Yeah, it still needs a little more up in there, but see where it's going. Yeah. There.
Yep.
Carry a knife, guys. Show you the work on yours too. I'm doing these today, 20 each, 2 for 30. We're American made, lifetime guarantee. We do put our last name and website on the handles. I'll do every serrate you own. Roll serrates in the middle, it does not hurt them. Takes serrations, way sharper than brand new. All your fillet knives, butcher knives, squeeze them in there tight, draw through. You can only get sharper. We've got 2 honing steels made to follow the original edge.
What did you do with it? You went back and forth with it?
Yeah, serrations.
Okay, yeah, in the inside.
Just
Okay,
like that.
gotcha. Okay.
Got them right now, 20 each, 2 for 30. You guys find yourself a knife today, bring it by and I'll sharpen it up. Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you. Alright, I'm going to take this black one right here.
That's you. A little drop of oil on the rods helps too.